Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a hair review on the Outre melted line called SERAPHINE. This is a soft HD transparent lace. It's 5-inch deep parting. It's pre-pluck hairline. It has an elastic band. It has natural hairline, which we all love. And yeah, this is how it looks. It looks really nice, but the lace is not looking good, so I will be using the Ebin lace tint in medium brown. So this is how the hair look and how tall it is, but we're gonna take care of that because I don't want it that long. All right, so first I'm going to do is catch up the hair, kind of get it out the way. Then I'm going to apply some glue on the lace while. However, I would recommend cutting it off if you're a beginner. I struggle with this method. Probably I need to do it more, not sure, but here I'm just basically kind of seeing if it's flush around the ears and then cut light excess. I must say that using the elastic band with this is very secure, very tight. Like I felt like I didn't have enough lace, or I didn't have enough space, or it just felt really tight on my head, but over time it kind of just get loose. So since I like how it look, I'm gonna go ahead and use my got to be spray and spray it down. I can't really see, so I tend to go back and forth with my glasses. As I said, this method is not for beginner. I don't think so. I would recommend spraying it in sections, like cutting it like 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, and then spray it down that way and then cut. For me at least, I think it wasn't really a beginner friendly method to use. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to spray it down and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so I know you weren't able to really see much because I can't see, but here I'm cutting in the middle because I feel like, okay, probably this would have been a better way of doing it, but you know, I was really trying in this video. To be honest, if I had just cut it and then just put it on my hair like that, it would have been better. It would have been a better method. So if you're doing this by yourself, I would definitely recommend cutting the lace and then go in and just spray it down, or just spray your hairline then put it on there, you know. So yeah, please learn from me. If you're a beginner, do not try this method. To be honest, the elastic band, as I mentioned, is just a way better method. Like, you don't need to really glue this wig down, to be honest, but I just like to glue my wigs down. So here I go, I'm cutting off the lace. So here I go, I'm cutting off the lace. I'm trying my best just to get off most of the lace because I feel like these synthetic wig that has so much lace on it, it really needs to cut as close to the wig hairline, you know, so it could look a little natural. All right, so this is how it looks. I cut off majority of the lace, and now as I say, that method really didn't work for me. I feel like, as I said before, I should have just cut it off. All right, so now I'm trying to glue the ear tabs, and that one was really difficult. So if you have like the liquid gel for this brand, the Got To Be glue, or whichever brand, I would definitely recommend using that. But this is how it's looking. It's not tied down as yet, so it looks like it's lifting and stuff. And I think the wig needed to come a little bit more forward, but it's fine for the most part. Alright, so this is what I'm going to use to spray the edges, not edges, of course I did do that, but my ear tabs. And I'm using this scrunchie because it works like magic, guys, to melt the lace in. So I'm just putting it around my neck from now, because after I spray it down, I'm just going to pull it up and put it on the edges, like literally where the lace is cut. I'm just going to put it right there and let it stay for like 30 minutes, and I tell you, it melts the lace right in, you know. So I love that. So yeah, that's what you're going to see me do. I'm gonna put on my bonnet because I was using the hair tied. I was catching up my hair, but I did find another one. I did. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm just going to put the scrunchie right on the edges where it's cut and make it stick right on there, literally. Some hair was caught in it, so I'm going to like comb it out the way so it doesn't glue that in. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit with this for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks. So far I put this wig on and it's still on my head. It's been a week now. I'm going to show, I think there's a video coming up where I'm going to show you guys how I protect the wig, or how I make it last for 2 weeks. So please stay tuned for that. Please stay tuned. I think it's a really nice video. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm bringing it all the way forward. And I know it looks kind of messy. So I'm going to use the Micro Smooth powder from Sephora that matches my skin tone on the lace, and then I'm going to use my flat iron, the back of it, to kind of press that bump down. You could use like a curling one, that would be really good, or if you have a hot comb, you can definitely do that, because the hair do take a slight amount of heat, not like 450, but like probably like a 350 or so heat, just to get the bump out. And yeah, so you're gonna watch me do that. Guys, this is how it looks. That's the big reveal. It looks really nice. As I tell you, all you need is a scrunchie, and you just put it where the edges meet your skin, and it just melts it in really good. And I didn't even spend 30 minutes because I was in a rush, but it came out really good. This is how the side of it looks. Nice. If I had a smaller curling one, or a smaller flat iron, I should say, I would definitely curl my edges and stuff, but I think it's good. But yeah, looking really nice. However, I'm gonna show you guys how I cut this hair. It was kind of a bit too long for me to be wearing every day. I've been wearing it every day since I glued it on, and I've been loving it. I love the length. People love the length, and I'll show you in the next clip how I cut the hair. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is bring the hair forward. You want to split it in two, bring the hair forward. Then you're going to use the scrunchie. If I didn't mention, this scrunchie is a large scrunchie. When you bring it forward, then take your scrunchie and tie it to the length that you want your hair to be cut. So if you want it a little longer than this, you're going to pull it down. If you want it a little shorter, you pull it forward. And it works so well with this type of style, like a body type style, body wave type style. So I'm just going to use my eyebrow scissors, and then I'm just going to cut it. You can use any scissors that you like, as long as you're cutting it. And then I'm going to cut any like pieces that are like hanging down, and then that's it. That's how I cut it. Everything looks good, looks even, looks great, and I'm just so excited. I really love hair that has length like this. It's just so easy, effortless, and you could wear it every day, you know. I'll leave this link of the hair down below so you could check it out. As I said, I love the hair. I don't regret purchasing it. Please stay tuned to my other video where I show you how I maintain it for 2 weeks, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.